know a little bit more about the films na ginawa nila, tatawagin natin sila on stage to talk a little bit about the film that they created. Now, let us all proudly welcome onto the stage the student filmmakers. First off, Adelbert Aprigonda from the Polytechnic University of the Philippines with his film Come On Point.
Hello, ayan. Naka-impression ko na po. Hello po, ako po si Adelbert Aprigonda. Adel na lang po, director, writer and editor of Done On Point. So, Done On Point basically is a story about unfulfilled dreams, boundless love, and forgiving oneself. Ayan, so it's about mother and son, ballet dancer, ballerina, and making this film, I'm very enthusiastic and optimistic for this festival, and I hope na ma-edit siya ng maganda, and I'm very optimistic din naman na magiging maayos po yung kalabas. Yun lang po, maraming salamat po Pure Goods sa inyo panalo, sa aking mga producers po, and mga everyone a part ng festival. Yun lang po, maraming salamat po.
Thank you, Adelbert. Next, we have Alan F. Balance Jr. from Polytechnic University of the Philippines with his film Cancer Din Ang Zodiac Sign Mo.
Hello everyone, my name is Alan Balance. I'm the writer and the director of the film Cancer Din Ang Zodiac Sign Mo. So, the film talks about resilience, friendship, struggles, hopes, and lives of people living with cancer. And I'm proud to say that we did cast real cancer patients for the film. So I'm very excited to share this to everyone and to spark and bring hope to every cancer patient and to bring awareness to every woman to check on themselves and prioritize health after. Thank you so much. Here goes to the
Next, we have Angel Alizar Cruz from University of Santo Tomas, Tito Tat.
Hello po. Good afternoon. I am Angel Alizar Cruz from University of Santo Tomas. I am the director for Tito Dati. It is a story of Yumi, who is a lost 24 years old, who navigated her home after the chaos of Bagyong Ondoy, and also had a strained relationship with her parents, all while looking for her old ability to bring back her old dreams as a filmmaker. So basically, it's about the story of some things that you just can't control and how you will deal with it from your before to who you are now to the present. So thank you so much.
Now we have Benigno Dolin from University of Eastern Philippines for Cine Cine.
Good afternoon po everyone. I'm Benigno Dolin, director of Cine Cine, and galing po kami ng Northern Summer recently, the University of Eastern Philippines, and yung film po namin is tungkol po sa isang lumang sinihan na patuloy po namin nakahalang mga tao na ninirahan sa lugar na yun, at dito po makakalalim po siguro dito yung mga batang naiinis. So, ako po napapatuloy sa mga.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Mario Riccio, the producer of CCCA. CCCA serves as a beacon of hope na kaya na yung mga young filmmakers na ipanalo muli ang pelikulang Pilipino.
Next, we have Kenneth Flores from Far Eastern University for One Print Strike.
Hello po. Good afternoon po, everyone. Ako po si Kenneth Flores, the writer and director of One Print Strike. So this film is a very simple story of friendship and teamwork inside a sepak takraw sports team. So ayun, meron tayong Meron silang paparating na CTV. Pinagsama sila ng coach nila, pero tatlo silang stylers. So ayun, dito sa film to, hindi na namin discover kung ano ba talagang true meaning ng friendship, kung ang matagapagod sa dulo, yung pagkapanalo, pagkatalo nila, or friendship. Kaya naman po, maraming salamat po. Very good.
We have Austin Ray Arnestido from Faith Colleges for Sa Susunod Sisikat si Susan.
Hello po, I'm Austin Ray, the director of Sa Susunod Sisikat si Susan. And together with me is Adrian Colorindo, my assistant director. So our film is all about a mother. So our film, Sa Susunod Sisikat si Susan, tells a story about a mother who's questioning whether she had what it takes to finally reach her dreams when all she did was to become a mother.
Yeah, and I think more than yung production ng film, more than highlighting the women or the Filipino moms, we're also grateful to for Virgo Cinemanalo for giving the Filipino youths the platform and the opportunity to showcase our passion para, kaya nabanggit nila, para buhayin ang sining ng pelikula dito sa Pilipinas. And we're just thankful for the opportunity that was given to us. Thank you.
Lai Quizon Yamale from University of the Philippines for Champ 3.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Clay, writer and director of Project Champion. Champion is a story about a success story of a farmer's daughter. It talks about second chances, hope, courage, and in the belief in the power of education to change their lives. Something interesting about this film is this is the only project produced and made from Mindanao. So I think what this project could offer is yung sensibilities of the Mindanao filmmaker. I'm so excited to share the landscapes of my province. Hopefully come March for the festival. Thank you.
Up next, one of our student filmmakers unfortunately couldn't make it with us today due to personal circumstances. But he is a regional filmmaker. We have Bjorn M. Herrera from Central Philippine University with his film Nanay's Frankenstein. Next, we have Maria Eleanor P. Javier from University of the Philippines, Visayas, with her film Mother at 60.
Hello everyone, I am Eleanor Javier. I am the director of Mother at 60, and something about this film is that it is a very simple story and it talks about family, it talks about restorations of relationships. This is all about people in the family who are trying to work on their relationships, who tried and who wants to try.
Hello everyone, I'm Sophia Lata, I'm the associate producer of Mother at 60, and we are extremely grateful for the opportunity to showcase the unspoken strained relationship of a mother and daughter. And we hope that this brings the Filipino community an inspirational film to watch. And we are extremely grateful for Pure Gold for giving us the opportunity to bring Mother at 60 to life.
For our next director, we have May Malaya from the University of the Philippines with her film Sisenta, represented by her producer Ivan Entonizo.
Yeah. Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Ako po si Ivan Entonizo, co-writer and co-producer ng Sisenta, and on behalf of our director, dito po ako para i-represent ang aming film. So, ayun po, ang Sisenta ay tungkol sa isang magandang babae, Ektora, na kaka-turn pa lang niya ng 60-year-old and she just obtained her senior citizen card. And ang pelikula po namin ay tungkol sa kanyang kwento sa kung paano niya na-navigate ang buhay niya ngayong kaka-turn na ng 60. And as well, it tells the story on how she rekindles a romance from the past. So ayun po, sana po abangan na po ito sa Virgo Cinemanalo Film Festival. So maraming salamat.
Myra Corinne Esquera Malik from University of Caloocan City with her film Sampay.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Ira Queen. I am the director of Sampay. Ang kwento ng Sampay po ay tungkol sa isang batang si Sam. Isa siyang batang bakla na inaakala niya na ang mga pambabaeng damit ang maliligtas sa kanyang kasayaan. So, as you can see here in the poster, our film is very heartwarming, very childish, but very fun to watch. And so, kung gusto niyo po makapanood ng isang pelikulang tatalo sa puso, inanyayahan ko po kayo manood ng Sampay. Thank you for the opportunity, Pergon, and salamat po sa pagdala. Thank you!
Next we have Naya Nicole Mendoza from Polytechnic University of the Philippines with Timeworks.
Hello everyone, I'm Naya Mendoza from the Polytechnic University of the Philippines. Timeverse will be witnessed through the eyes of a 7-year-old girl who witnesses her older sister go through womanhood. I think this film aims to share that even though women are often limited by societal expectations, we can still make films and we can still share stories about womanhood. Thank you so much, Pure Gold Cine Panalo, for this opportunity to more women in filmmaking. Thank you so much.
Next, we have Van Marco B. Mola Cruz from Colegio de San Juan de Letran with Umian.
Hello po. My name is Van Marco Mola Cruz and I'm from Colegio de San Juan de Letran. Ang career ko is about woman na nakadevelop ng personal perception after mawala yung anak. And this film is an inquiry to how complex human emotion can be in terms of accepting things. So, yun lang po. And lastly, I would like to thank Justin Pisan for this poster po. Yun lang.
Adrian Morales, University of the Philippines with Let's Go Somewhere Else.
Hello, I'm si Adrian Morales, writer and director of Let's Go Somewhere Else. Isa itong kwento tungkol sa dalawang high school best friends, former high school best friends, na magtatagpo after 5 years. Isang gabi, sa kalagitnaan ng final season. Isa itong kwento tungkol sa pagkakaibigan, isa itong kwento tungkol sa pains from the past, isa itong kwento tungkol sa nostalgia. Ayun, samahan po natin si Gio at Ethan and let them take you somewhere else, the Cine Panalo Film Festival. Maraming salamat.
Next, we have Regine Narciso from Talukasaan ng Lungsod ng San Pablo with Papunta Ka Pa Lang, Nakabangs Na Ako.
Hello everyone, I'm Regine Narciso, but you can call me Reg. And the title of our film, it draws inspiration from the classic line na lagi natin naririnig sa mga matatanda, which is, papunta ka pa lang, pabalik na ako. But, nilagyan lang namin siya ng modern twist. We incorporated the Gen Z slang bounce, which means to leave or exit. Ayun po. And this film, it tells a story about the unexpected friendship of Generation Z and elderly. And it is Lottie and Lola Belly. Lola Belly is her reclusive elderly neighbor. And while it highlights the generational gap, this film will also show that true friendship knows no age. Thank you.
Next, Alexi Nicole Parto from Polytechnic University of the Philippines with Checkmate.
Hi everyone, I'm so glad to be here. I am Alexi, the director of Checkmate. So to share some of the background of our film Checkmate revolves around the life of Uno, a young chess prodigy who gives up to play the game that he loves the most just to help pay for his dad's illness. So this breaks their bond, leaving them both hurt and distant from each other. So years later, a toxic patient forces them to confront their past
and eventually each other. So this film revolves around the themes of forgiveness and acceptance within family relationships. I just want to share that I'm very grateful for your girl, Sinner Manalo, because this is her first time competing for short film contest. So God bless everyone.
Keith Earl P. Rebaño, University of the Philippines, Visayas for Tanong
Hello everyone, I'm Keith Earl Banyo, and our film is Dalaura, which is an Anglanon term for clouds. So galing po ako ng Aklan, which is a province na walang sinihan. So I'm really grateful for this opportunity na binigay ng Pure Gold. And Dalaura is an exploration of grief, what is grief all about, and it will also show that people grieve in different ways, and it will also show that it's okay to grieve sometimes. It's okay to feel sad. It's okay to actually feel sad that you lose someone.
Hello everyone, I'm Joanna de Monteverde. I'm the producer for Dalaura, and this is my second year in Cine Panalo, but this time I'm here as a producer. So I hope everyone will look forward to our film because I know that our film will touch a lot of hearts, and I hope that one of those hearts will be yours. Thank you so much.
John Lester Rimorin from University of the Philippines with Japan Surplus.
Konnichiwa po. Magandang umaga po hapon po sa Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Lester, yung writer-director ng Japan Surplus. At napakilala ko po sa inyo ang Japan Surplus. At tungkol po siya sa isang binatang hapon na nanirahan sa Pilipinas at may obligasyon na alagaan or to continue yung legacy ng kanyang father na which is yung Japan Surplus. At habang ay pinalagaan sa proseso ng pag-alaga ng Japan Surplus ay nakilala ng isang binatang Pilipino at doon po magkakaroon sila ng cultural exchange. At bilang Pilipino po, kailangan din natin bilang Pilipino na dumaan sa globalisasyon at sa maraming kulturang pinapasa sa atin. Kaya doon po natin kailangan malaman kung saan ba tayo nanggaling kahit nagkahalo-halo lang po yung mga cultural na pinapasa po sa atin. So, inanyarahan ko po kayo, lalo na sa mga mahilig sa mga anik-anik at mga mahilig pumunta sa mga vintage store, Japan Surplus, para tulungan natin si Kahumi, hindi natin na isalba kanyang Japan Surplus. Maraming salamat po.
Jose Andy Sales from the University of San Carlos for G.
Good afternoon everyone. Ako nga po pala si Jose Andy Sales. I am the director of G, and I'm from the University of San Carlos, Cebu. So my film is about a PCNet gamer who gets scouted for an esports tournament, but he must convince his disapproving father that his passion in gaming could pave a way to a brighter future. So it's about dreams, perseverance, and acceptance. And invited you to watch this film kasi sa mga mahilig sa gaming because it's an esports film, and pinaghandaan po namin yung production design dito, and it has a mix of 3D animation there. Thank you.
Mark Joseph Sanchez from the Polytechnic University of the Philippines with our one and only Baboy.
Magandang hapon sa lahat. Ako po si Mark Joseph Sanchez, or MG. Ang our one and only Baboy po ay mag-explore sa themes ng love, loss, and finding yourself again along the way. You can expect our film to be something silent yet a film that will also speak volumes. So, iikot po yung storya sa isang araw na journey ni Buddy na pagbebenta sa kanilang nag-iisang anak ni si Baby, isa po siyang birik. Wala po silang kakayahang magkaroon ng anak dahil si Buddy po ay baog. And si Buddy po ay may lung cancer. So, napag-desisyonan niya pong ibenta si Baby, gawa ng kailangan niya po ng pambili ng kanyang gamot. Dito po sa isang araw na journey ni Buddy, ma-rekindle yung matagal nang nawala ng long-lost sense of fatherhood sa kanya. And dahil lamang po. Ninaan niya ako pong panoorin ng aming pelikula. Maraming salamat po.
Aubrey Soriano, ng Polytechnic University of the Philippines with si Nadia at ang kanyang mga puro-puro.
Hi! Sobrang excited naman kaya. Hello po, magandang araw po sa lahat. Ako po si Aubrey Soriano, ang director and writer ng si Nadia at ang kanyang mga puro-puro. So basically, si Nadia at ang kanyang mga puro-puro is about Nadia, who is a queer student journalist who hold very strong values that will isa sa barrier niya sa journey niya in her youth, on her personal relationship, on the external and the internal factors there. And it will revolve around Nadia will be given a task by her coach sa kanilang student publication. And as she is deciding what topic she should write about, she will come up with a very drastic decision. And for trivia, kung gusto niya na naman, this is my directorial so very excited and nag-take na risk. And sinadaan ng kanyang puro is very highly influenced by Fleabag. Sobrang happy lang po. Thank you.
Jasper Pan, Far Eastern University with Sapag Puma.
Okay, hi. Magandang araw po sa lahat. Ako po si Jasper Tan, ang writer-director ng Sapag Puma. So, ang Sapag Puma, tungkol lang po siya sa isang matandang si Ellie. So, ina-isolate niya ang sarili niya and ang tanging inaalala niya lang ay yung mga bulaklak niya. So, gigising siya, matutulog siya, ang mga bulaklak niya lang inaalala niya. And eventually, masisira itong routine na to nang dumating ang araw na may batang kumikita sa kanyang hardin. So, gawa ng batang to, magpipilitan siya kung saan ulit ang sarili niya sa mundo. Ano po? Maraming salamat.
Johans Tejero from University of San Carlos, Taong Pindi.
Hello, my contact sa Tadana. I'm from Cebu. My name is Johannes Tejero and I'm the writer-director of Taong Pindi. So this is a rom-com short film. It's about Mark and Lexi who find themselves honing their skills in a fighting game in an arcade for an upcoming tournament, and they face a dilemma of who deserves to win between them. So in this short film, we'll be featuring it is a collaboration with Radical Games also. So we'll be featuring two other games, which is Bayani and Sinag. And this short film is about really exploring why we like games and how it resonates with us, especially gamers, and how fighting games how it became as a part of the culture of the Filipinos.
And last but not the least, we have Sean Rafael Verdeo from National University Laguna with De La Cruz 1P.
I'm Sean Rafael Verdeo, writer-director of De La Cruz 1P. So De La Cruz 1P is a story of the cracker that's trabaho niya, dahil siya. And then, susundan natin kung gaano niya kadalas yung application process when it comes sa mga ordinary mga movie. Ayun, De La Cruz 1P.
And thank you so much to the filmmakers. Let's all give them another round of applause. We're all very excited to see what you bring to the festival this year, and we need you guys to gather around for a quick photo op. Quick match photo lab to celebrate you officially as Pupil Cinepanalo's Class of 2025. while we invite Direk Chris Cahilig and Miss Ivy Pilay to join you for a quick photo opportunity. It's finally time to introduce the 8th full-length filmmaker